All right, so it says the table shows the height in feet of the waves at a beach and the numbers of surfers at that beach. So X is always across the top column of a table, Y is always across the bottom. So we're going to say that the waves are X, number of surfers are Y. So we're going to plot our points. So 3 is right here, 24 is in the middle right here, because these go by 10. So this is 30, this is 20, so 24 is kind of in that middle. Then you have 6, 61, 5, 56, 1, 15, 4, 35. So looking at that data, I would definitely say that the values are increasing. As the waves get bigger, the number of surfers increases. So I would say that this has a positive relationship because they're going up. And I would say that it's pretty strong. So the relationship is a strong positive. At this point, I want to find my trend line. So I'm going to try to draw a line that is as straight as possible and has an equal number of points above and below. I am cheating. I still kept up. Okay. So for my trend line, if the wave height is 2, then I had 20. If the wave height was 4, then I had 40. And then 6 and 60. So what I need to do now is take those points and find my slope. So I'm going to say 40 minus 20 over 4 minus 2. So that gives me 20 over 2, which is 10. And then I have y minus 20 equals 10, x minus 2. Because I'm going to use the same coordinates as a point I found. So then the question is, how many surfers would be at the beach if the wave heights were 2 feet? So what you would do is actually plug 2 in for x. And in terms of my problem, I end up getting y minus 20 equals 10. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. So I have y minus 20 equals 0, or y equals 20. Better? So in the next problem, I actually gave you all of the points. So I took some of the legwork out. Looking at those points, are they going up or are they going down? Okay, so if they're going up, what type of relationship is that? Good. So what you want to do is draw in a line. Okay. And then I want to find the equation of my line. So I'm going to pick points off my line. So I kind of look like I went through 0, 5. And then I didn't have very many other nice points, maybe 6, 40. So I'm going to use those 2 points to find my slope. Yeah, it's pretty close. So 15 over 2 is 7.5. 35 over 6 is 5.8. So you got 7.5. I had 6. Okay? And actually, I'm probably kind of low because all the points are above. My line should actually be a little higher. So then the question is, how many days does it take to mow 30 lawns? So you would go to 30 and then go to your graph and kind of look at where it hits. And 30 lawns is 4 days. And then the next one is, how many lawns can be mowed in 1 day? So you go to 1. And for me, I would say with my line, it's about 10. You could also have found the equation of your line and plugged those points in. What? 21. All right, describe the relationship between the data, identify any outliers, gaps, or clusters. So looking at this data, is it positive or negative? Do you just go to this one? Okay. Then you may begin your homework.